It's your travel agent, David, and we are in Dublin. We're going to be staying at the Fleet Hotel on Fleet Street. It's also known as the Temple Bar District. It's a great place to be. Right around the corner, you got KFC, you've got Papa John's, you've got Starbucks. Around another corner, you got a donut shop, you've got a steakhouse. Go straight down, you've got Hard Rock Cafe, several bars, several pubs, several restaurants, and a lot of photo opportunities. And within a short distance, you also have McDonald's and Burger King. So if you're looking for something a little bit more American as that can be, so let's go check it out. Well, we just made it to our room. We've been up for about 29 hours so far, minus the little nodding that we were doing in the lobby. Long flight, long story, didn't get any sleep. So, but the room, it's really nice. It's our first Ireland room that we've ever had, and it's pretty nice. So we got a nice size bed, the nightstands. They have the Euro plugs and USB plugs as well. Interesting view, but it's better than the last view I had in Vegas, where it was just a bunch of AC units. So it's really nice. You got a desk to work with, some more Euro plugs here, and it's just a regular plug. So they have a 1 Euro plug and then the round Euro plug as well. They got the historical fireplace here as well as a TV. Over here, you've got your wardrobe with iron board. There is a safe down here as well and a few hangers. Then we make our way over here to the bathroom where Heejin is washing off food from her brand new hoodie that she got because she didn't want to take one out of the suitcase when we got to the hotel before the room was ready. But as you can see, it's a multifunctional bathroom here. You got a nice walk-in shower, so it's really nice. So let's go check out the rest of the hotel. Now be advised, if you're traveling with a group, the elevators, well, they're kind of small. So it may take you a couple trips. So if you're traveling with a group like Globus or Trafalgar or Cost or just there's a group of you, you're probably gonna need a few rotations. For a boutique hotel, it's very nice. You don't have laundry service, but that's hard to find in Europe anyway. And there's no air conditioning in here, so but that's pretty much everywhere here in Ireland that I found so far. Here's the other drawback. To get to our room from the elevator, check this out. So if you're disabled or have mobility issues, this may not be the hotel for you. There are a lot of reasons why staying here on Fleet Street would be beneficial. Another one is right across the street from the hotel is a Tesco Express. So it's a grocery store. So if you need any food, any sundry items, They also have a little bit of pharmacy items in here. You can get them here as well. And there is a pharmacy just down the street. We just had dinner at Thunder Road Cafe. Very American themed. They have live music in there. It's right next to the Oliver St. John, and they have live music there. Everywhere around here's got live music. But if you're gluten intolerant, they do have a gluten-free menu. As you can see, there are a lot of bars around here, a lot of restaurants. And if you want some gelato, about a block and a half from the hotel is Cloud 9. They have gelato and a bunch of other treats as well. So we're about 2 blocks away from the hotel now, going that way. So there's a Papa John's right there. We've got another Temple Bar over here with live music playing as well. So a lot of entertainment. And this whole area is cordoned off, so no cars can come through. So I guess not all of it's cordoned off, but a section of it is.